Welcome to one of America's busiest potato factories. Today, you'll see how fresh potatoes become crispy fries and crunchy potato chips.
All right, weight is recorded. Looks like a great batch.
Powerful water jets remove stones and mud from every potato.
Camera sorted, batch looks clean.
Efficiency is key in food processing. High-pressure steam quickly loosens the skins. This method ensures absolute minimum waste, leaving perfectly peeled potatoes every time. Blanching hot water softens the potatoes and prepares them for perfect cooking. To ensure the perfect crunch, moisture must be removed. Powerful air blowers blast the slices. This guarantees a flawless fry. Our special seasoning salt is added. Delicious flavors are blended evenly. Perfect coverage in every single batch. Freshly sliced and fried, these potato chips are extremely hot. Massive cooling conveyors use forced air to rapidly reduce their temperature. This prepares them for the automated packaging process.
Quality inspection machines check color, size, and shape to ensure every product meets factory standards.
Here, thousands of bags are processed every hour. Maximum efficiency is achieved through automation. Inside these massive frozen worlds, millions of pounds of fries wait for delivery. State-of-the-art automation keeps temperature at a steady sub-zero, ensuring freshness from farm to fork. From the factory, products are loaded daily. Trucks carry them to every corner of America, stocking supermarket shelves for families everywhere and delivering fresh to your favorite local restaurant.